Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some pleasant and warm conditions across the region this morning, seeing some slightly breezy southwesterly winds. That's going to be the case throughout the day today with wind gusts near 22-23 knots possible. We'll see some mostly cloudy conditions across the area, temperatures near 70 degrees, so well above normal temperatures, and we'll see a very slight chance of a shower, mainly during the late afternoon and the evening hours today. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure off the coast, setting up more like a Bermuda high, pumping in those southwesterly warm winds across the area. That's going to be giving us those well above normal temperatures from today through Monday, and then we'll see a fairly strong cold front move through on Monday evening, giving us a chance of showers and thunderstorms as well as some cooler conditions for after Monday. So looking at our current observation of broken deck at 12,000 as well as 25,000, winds out of the southwest at sustained 11 knots, gusting to around 19 to 20 knots, temperature at 54 degrees, and relative humidity around 45%. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some mostly cloudy skies across the region. That's going to be the case throughout the day today. We'll see skies with a ceiling at around 12 to 10,000 feet today. We'll also see a possibility of those ceilings moving up 25,000 feet if this 12,000 foot cloud cover is able to dry up a bit. But overall, looking at mostly cloudy skies today, also seeing some showers well off to our north and west. These showers will dry up as they move towards our region, but can't rule out a sprinkle for the late afternoon and evening hours. And taking a look at the HRRR model for the next few hours here, you can see we do have those clouds across the region. We'll see a possibility of a break during the afternoon hours, but overall, seeing mostly cloudy skies in general. We'll see a chance of some showers moving in towards the late afternoon and the evening hours, better chance towards the central and northern Delmarva, but overall these showers do look like they will dry up as they move towards the region, and not going to see a lot of precipitation with these showers that do move through the area. So taking a look at the risk chart for today, we'll see a high today around 70 degrees here at Wallops. Those southwesterly winds are going to allow for those temperatures to really jump up into the upper 60s and lower 70s fairly quickly across the area today. So a pleasant day, warm. Temperatures about 15 degrees above normal. Overnight lows tonight around 57, so once again about 15 to 20 degrees above normal across the peninsula, so well above normal temperatures. We'll see those southwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 23 knots overnight, and we'll see those southwesterly winds today at 9 to 14 knots, possibly gusting as high as 22 to 23 knots. So a yellow for our winds this afternoon as well as the overnight hours. We'll also see a slight chance of some low clouds building in overnight, but overall, it looks like these chances are capped about 20 to 30%, so most likely won't see a wind advisory and won't see that low cloud developing across the region. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will see, in general, VFR conditions today, the ceilings well above 3,000 feet, but we'll see clouds around 10 to 12,000 feet throughout the day today, and as well as some serious cloudiness. A slight chance we see a sprinkle after 1600 local, running till about 2200 local or 10 p.m. Later this evening into the overnight hours. And tomorrow morning, just once again, seeing some mostly cloudy skies, warm temperatures across the region. Our tides are running normal. And looking at Saturday into Sunday, a warm weekend across the area, preview for some real spring weather once we move into late April and May. But looking at Saturday, mostly to partly cloudy, breezy and warm, a high of 76 degrees, well above normal, about 20 degrees above normal this time of year. Saturday night, partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezy, a low of 57. And for Sunday, mostly cloudy, breezy and warm, very slight chance of a shower late, high of 73 degrees. Looking like a yellow for our winds on Saturday, so gusting around 23 to 24 knots. And for Sunday, a better chance of seeing those winds at 25 knots, gusting around 25 to 26 knots as it looks currently. But that's going to complete our 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.